Hi everyone, I am here with one new problem, checking whether the given integer is perfect square or not. So what is the logic for this perfect square? Perfect square is an integer whose square root is exactly an integer. So not a float number. Okay, so such numbers are called perfect squares. The examples of perfect squares are 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, etc. Okay, so these are all called perfect squares. How do you check that through a computer program? So in each and every programming language, there will be support to find square root of a number in the form of sqrt function. For example, in Python, in math module, there is a function by name sqrt using which we can find the square root of a number. So the logic I am going to implement here is import math module, take one number, for example, say 2. If math dot square root of number is exactly divisible by 1, that means the remainder is 0, then true. True in the sense it is a perfect square, else false. For example, you take 2. So 2 is not a perfect square. Let us run the code and see what is the output. False. Let me take this as 25. So let us run this code. So what is the answer? True. So what does this mean? So if you divide the number by 1, if you divide the square root of the number by 1, if we get the remainder as 0, that is the perfect square. So I hope this is the smarter way to find, or this is the smarter way to check whether the given number is perfect square or not. So the same logic can be implemented in other programming languages such as Java, C Sharp, etc. In every programming language, there will be support to find square root of a number. Okay, I hope you understood the logic. Thank you.